Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to disconnect MetaMask from connected sites on mobile device. For that, you need to first launch your MetaMask mobile application and then you need to tap on this settings icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. In the settings, you need to select the option of security and privacy, and now once you are in security and privacy, you just have to scroll down, and here in the bottom you are going to see this privacy tab where you will be able to see the option of manage connections. So if you tap on manage connections, you will be able to see all of the websites that are connected with MetaMask. So you just have to select that particular website which you want to disconnect. Afterwards, you will be able to see a disconnect option. So you need to tap on disconnect, and then you will be able to easily disconnect that particular website from MetaMask. Now the second option of disconnecting is the clear privacy data. So if you tap on clear privacy data, you will have to press the clear button again, and then it will automatically remove all of the websites that are connected with MetaMask. If you clear the browsing history, then it will also delete all of the websites that you have visited using MetaMask, and this will also help you to disconnect the connected websites. If you tap on the clear browser cookies, then it will also delete the connected websites. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.